While on an essentials package, you'll also see a prompt here to join the shop floor app, which we'll get into in more detail when we start talking about the upgrade features on the Pro package plan. But just in general, there is a floor level application that you can use with your manufacturing team, which will allow you to track things in real time as you're doing them on the shop floor. We also incorporate barcodes as another feature in the Pro package that we have in our upgraded subscriptions. And this allows you to create barcodes for all of your items so you can label them and scan them when you're doing different types of movements, such as receiving or sending, or in case of consumption of materials and needing to input the amount that was used. Barcodes come in really handy, especially at the shop floor level. So we'll get more into those as we move further into the video series.